Max Your Journey Tribe, RV community, welcome back to your favorite camping YouTube channel. This is the channel for camping tips, tricks, all the reviews you could ask for, from campgrounds to campers. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up because it helps the tribe grow, it helps people see the content, and we get to share the love of camping together. We thank you guys so much. Check us out on Instagram if you haven't already. Okay, today's video is about what type of camper you are and how that determines where you're going to be camping at. And it can change throughout your time frame of camping. Let me explain. 3 different types is the categories we have. There's 3 different types. First, you have your boondockers. Boondockers are pretty much dry camping. You're self-sustained. You have your own power source, water source, and you might prefer a smaller crowd to no crowd. You solo or you and your partner camping out various locations. Boondocking. You might have your own generator, stuff like that. Then on the far other side, you have glampers. Talking big rigs, fifth wheels, travel trailers, those RV resorts with all the amenities you could ask for. Almost like camping in the middle of an amusement park. Tons of energy, tons of people around. Great time. You'll love it. Then there's the mix, and that would be campers. 3 categories: boondockers, glampers, and campers. Campers, you want to be probably hitting the state parks, national parks, so you don't mind mixing, mingling with a little bigger crowds. You can go boondocking, you can go to those resorts. And that's our 3 categories that we place campers in. So for us, we're in between probably campers and glampers, that fine line there. Not so much the boondockers with the kids because they don't really know how to conserve resources as much. And we just don't want the hassle of that. We have our weekend and we want to make the most of it. But also with that, those 3 categories, you can use those to determine what your first camping trip is going to be. So if you already went on your first camping trip, let me know down in the comments, where did you go? If you're planning your first camping trip of the season, let me know where that will be so maybe we can join in and experience your favorite campground or campground you love so much. Okay, so we are going to open our season at Cherry Stone Campground in Virginia. Great resort, tons of amenities, great price. Price determines a lot for us, but great people as well. We have met so many people there. So for the past couple of years, we have opened our season at Cherry Stone Campground in Virginia. We love that place. But I'm gonna backtrack for a little bit. When we first started camping about 4 years ago, almost 5, we bought the travel trailer and we were trying to determine what type of campers we were going to be out of those 3. I knew I had to convince the family and D that we love camping. You know, let them see the good side of it, not a whole bunch of trouble. So we chose a place called Tall Pines, which would be in that camper category. Middle of the woods, Tall Pines, smaller campground, great small amenities, pools, a jump pillow, 2 or 3 campgrounds, and a water view. Very nice. We still go there. And that hooked us. It was enough. It wasn't like we went to a campground with no amenities or nothing like that. We really wanted to have a good time and sell the kids on it. Ever since then, they ask us every second, when are we going to the next campground? When are we going camping again? Are we going this weekend? So it's a beautiful thing. So let me know, what do you look for in a campground? Is it the amenities? Is it pools? Is it the hiking trails? What is it? Let me know in the comments, guys. We are determining some of our new locations for this upcoming season. Like I said, we will be at Cherry Stone from April 15th through the 18th, a long or short weekend, depending on how you look at it. So we will be out there, but we're looking for new campgrounds as well. We like to venture out a little bit over here at Max Your Journey. We want to check out some newer places along the East Coast. We have an obligation locally at home with sports and stuff like that at school. So we can't go too far, but we do love checking out these new places. So let me know what it is that you are looking for. Is it the hiking trails? Is it the pools? Is it the people? Is it the isolation? Maybe you're on that boondocker side. Is it just being out under the stars next to a beach up in the mountains? Let me know, guys, what type of camper you are and where are you headed for this first trip of the season if you haven't been already. And if you have been, I appreciate you guys for being here. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. I'm going to have a review for you next week before we head out on our camping trip. And then that should go right into a video of us out at the Cherry Stone having a good time. Not a review, just a good time with good people. I hope to see you guys there April 15th through the 18th, Cherry Stone. Peace out.